Hi everybody, good morning. I will do my best today to do the room Chrome. It's all about encryption, the password manager. It took a bit time, and then of course when you do research you realize is most of this room is basically part of it's the same CTF somehow. I'm not sure if there's other solution, but most of the solution is part of this, so let's follow. I tried to do all of it in Linux system, but I couldn't. So I need to use my Windows virtual machine too, because some part of it wasn't possible to do it in Python script to solve the problem just with it. So I tried to do this part in the attack box, so in someone has their own Linux system or something, so we don't have issue with libraries or anything. So I did copy, because we have my virtual machine, I can easily find the external IP. So I just copy what I did. I copied the Chrome file that you get from the room. I copy them, so that's part of it. I already copied them in this box, so they are there. So I can just unzip. Not too much. Why making noise? The Chrome file that we got from the room, and of course we get the pickup file. So let's open the pickup file. Sorry. Hello. Where is the pickup? The traffic pickup ng. Oops. Open this one. Okay, so we have the pickup file. So you can see the communication is easily between two IPs. We can see a lot of SMB, so it gives you an idea. Of course, when you start any Wireshark, it's better to, you can check conversation. You can see it's between, where is the IP? Most of them between these two IPs. And then if we go to see statistics, where is the protocol hierarchy? We can see SMB is one, most of it. Of course you can play around. You can say, oh, okay, it's an SMB. We can say just follow the TCP stream, but it's encrypted, so it doesn't give you too much an idea. But we can, oh, so it's not connected or something. Hello. We can filter in SMP only, so if, what's going on here? Suddenly when you start recording, the internet freeze. Nice. I can say SMB, and we can say SMB2 together in case. So you have all this protocol. You can read from here. So the command it tell you. So the first thing SMB always start is negotiating protocols. Oops, let's make it bigger. If we go now there, the server will call and they say negotiating protocol, and you should be giving where is that negotiation? He has 5, so you can negotiate context count 5, then use protocol response. I think this one from is it the client? What the client said, negotiation context. Where is that flag one? Any case, this some directed this one. And then session it use NTLM is negotiating here, so you know it's negotiating. Session request should be then an error is said because it said the challenge here, so the server will send a challenge. Session flag, it should be and then the user sent a request, and you can see a username here, Microsoft. Let's do this quickly. The request session flag 0. We have the session ID, we have the tree, the host, the system resources. Where is that session? The account name is hacked, the domain is Microsoft account, and wherever it's supposed to be what do you call them, a challenge. Where is that challenge things? I didn't see it. It's supposed to be here. Session setup response. Or otherwise supposed to be here. I didn't see it, but it's not important for us for this room. But there is a challenge supposed to be in. This is a response and TDM status more request. In any case, you can see here the challenge, and then you can see the tree is going to connect to that the share, and then this is WKSS-VC, that's SMB protocols. This is nothing fancy about it. If you scroll down, you can see it's going to share folder, and then hold on, share, he's negotiating, and then you will start downloading file. Request file desktop any error wherever, and then transfer. Okay, he's starting transfer the first file called transfer.exe. You can see it here. Of course, it will be transfer, all that negotiation and transfer. The last file you can see they called the encrypted file. When you are like that, is the easy way. You can go to file and then go to object, and then you have SMB protocol, and then you can see all the file. We don't have encryption here to worry about, so we can just save all of this. Let's create a folder called Wireshark. That's what we got from Wireshark. Let's save them. Okay, so then we go, so we have this, we done from Wireshark for now. So if I go to my files, cd Wireshark, now I can see this file. So we have two things interested for us, is the transfer file. We can take, let me say, we have the transfer file, this executable file. You can play with the strings if you want. Transfer.exe. String doesn't give you too much information, but give you something at start of it. So something related to username with hardware, so you can see it's going for Chrome. Not too much about it here. If you go with the string, doesn't give me too much information I'm looking for. So we need something to decompile this. If you try with where is that one? Our old friend Ghidra didn't solve for me the problem, so I couldn't use it really. So one thing to use, because I want to use it in Linux system, both in Windows and Linux system. In Linux system, in Windows, you can use DNS Spy. It's good for .NET, because we're doing .NET files. We can use also IS Spy. If you want to use it in your Linux machine, you can use Avalonian Spy. So if we use Avalonian Spy here, look, let's say, don't give me to close. I tried Ghidra, for example, let's say Chrome project. If I say to him open file, import file, we have it in Wireshark. Let's open any of them. Transfer. Okay, let's play there. Let's get the this one. Also Spy. We can get the release note. We can download the Linux. What's this? 64 release, and that's what ARM. Let's get this one. I already downloaded, I think. uh, let's see. So we know a Wireshark, we have this files. Let's go there. Let's go back to open another folder. Yeah, I don't want to confuse in this room because it took me time to do all this. So I'm trying to be slow. So I download this Linux release. So let's unzip it. So what we have, let's unzip the file as spy. So we go to artifact. So cd artifact Linux. So we have that. Then we can open, what's the name of this thing? Is il spy. Let's open it. In the meantime, we can go to our friend Windows. I play, this is my machine that I play around it when I have some Windows stuff to play with Sherlocks and Hide the Box. Where I put my DNS download, DNS spy is here. So let's open it. Let it run there alone. So we have this. See, this one can run in Linux. Can we make the text bigger? Option, display, tab size, user tab, sizes, make it 20. Okay. Okay, now let's open one our file that the file we got now. So let's go to where we put it. Not Wireshark, artifacts. No, not effect. It's where we did the export in Wireshark. Yeah, Wireshark. So if we export transfer, let's transport that one. You see, it gives you this. This one can work nicely. Of course, remember we are in transfer. First time you use this this software, you can see release, and then what's I have here? Model and program. So if you go to program, if you go to program here, the last one, you can see exactly what this script is doing. You can see what we have here is bytes. It's already using two variables. We can use it later on. So we have this variable and we have this the IV basically, and you can see IS key. So using IS encryption is a symmetric key. So basically this one is what's this one, the IV, I think. Yeah, the IV. What's the first one? Is the key that you encrypt with it. This first one is the key. IS create. No, he's creating the key. So basically this is I'm not really but you can get, this is how you encrypt using IS. For if you read what he's doing, he's going to use a see how to download encrypted files. That's why, for example, if I go to my this is one. This one is a DNS. If we open, where is this file again? Do I have them in my desktop? I have too many files. I forgot. Let's see what desktop. Do I have it here? Let's open any one. This one is same things. If you go to file transfer, this is transfer.exe. You go to the model or the program. You can see we have the same things. So what important for us is this key and the IV. That's what we need. So if we go, so you can do this in Windows with the DNS spy, or you go it here in Linux with the other one. So basically now is I want to show you something before we jump. So if I go to my Windows, and I remember here, guys, for Windows you need to install Python and all the library, like for example cryptography, start with pipe. You need to install pipe also. Yesterday it get me confused with dependency or something. So I'm not doing the video regarding installing Python Windows, so you need to do it yourself. So for me, it's there. Just I want to show you something. So directory. So you see this funny files that we have here. So if I say, what's the name of these funny files? No, not 5 transfer. No, see. If I you see if I what? Why is not running it? Let me rename one of the file. This just too many. This starting. Let's rename one of them. Rename it. Let me. What? Rename this file. Let's remove that funny characters in the front. You see, if you run it, you said access to path C user had read download encryptor is denied. Remember what I did in this machine? I created a user with the name Hardy. So to test, this is the user I created to try to bypass this. So I created the user in my machine. This Hardy is in my machine. But in any case, the point of this is, you look for user had read download encryption file, and then encrypt the file successfully, and then and that's exactly what you do, this script. And that's what we have here. We have if we go now to, this is RI spy, we have the encrypted file. This is our file. Let's move that 5 wherever. C encrypted file, call it encrypted files. So now we have this encrypted file. Of course, we have strings, encrypted files, so it's funny character, so it's encrypted, so we all know that. So we have the encrypted file. So we know we have this two important variables that we need from this script. We need this, the key and the IV. So that's what we need from this. So basically, the script I got it with the help of a friend ChatGPT for the decryption file. So this is using cryptography libraries and IV and all of that. This is the key we have in this. So we have this one, and then that's the IV. So let's get the IV. This is the IV LR3. Let's make sure it's this. Oh, I'm getting the wrong one. Hold on a minute. LR3S. Yeah, this is an L. Yeah, LR3SOZTX. So we have, we're correct. So we're not PJ. Yeah, that's the information. So now it read the encrypted file and then decrypt it in the zip folder. So let's, if I run this this script, decrypt file, where is our file? The file are in Wireshark. Let's so we can say Python. What Python we have here in we have 3.9. Let's get, so we get the latest 3.9 decrypt. It's in Wireshark. No, if we run it from there, you will not just copy this decrypt to Wireshark folder. So we are on the same path. cd Wireshark. What's wrong with you? Why is making noise? ls So if I do Python here, because the files are 3.9 decrypt, and now we have the folder that we have decrypt file. We can do the same in Windows. The script run, I will put later on the script in the comment if you want to use it. What's wrong? In Windows my script is here, I called it T. Let me rename it. Call it decrypt. I already run it here. Let me test it again. So that's encrypted file. Let me delete this one. Delete. So if I run to my folder, because I copy before I start the room, I copy the. I'm trying to do it in Windows machine in case both of anyone that using. So if I go Python decrypt, the file are decrypted nicely, and now we can open them. We have the app data, and then we can extract them in Windows machine. Okay, you can stay there and extract. What we have here, we can unzip decrypted ls, and we have the app data. So we have local, low, and we have roaming. So we have the files that we have. We can well, what we can do, we can check again. So we have the files. So app data, we have roaming, we have local, we have the Google one, we have the Chrome, we have user data, and of course we have default, and we have local login. This is what the database is. So what is next? What is next? Good question. Now here's what the point. Here my end of Linux. Here then things start to be complicated. Python, I couldn't figure it out how to continue solving. Now you can solve part of the problem. The next one is the password one. So we have the app data file. Remember we said many questions are part of this. So let's zoom in here. This is it's almost like a similar challenge for us. Now is talking about the user master key, which is used as the primary key when decrypting DPAPI. This is related to Windows. So basically is under Microsoft Protect. So let's go to our Microsoft Protect. Let's take this article because we need to download some files. So let's go there. Let me open it here before I forgot about it. Allow selection. Let's make it. Let's zoom here. Okay. So now we need the password, which is the question. You know, the first question of this room said, "What is your first password that you found?" Yeah, the first password come from here. So if I come now here. Let's stop here. Now we already have where we got the app data. Remember now we have roaming cd Microsoft Protect, and that's what we're looking for. That's how the Microsoft do their protection very well. I don't really this and then they give us here a script. There's a Python script that can help us extract the information, the hash files. So if I download this script, or I just copy it. Guys, is one thing very interesting about script. It happened to me. Where's the other file? when you run script not from the directory, it do some funny things. So it's better to run it straight from the protect. Let's call it vim get hash.py. Okay, this script, if we look here what this script do, so you can go, let's put this down here. So I can run the script Python, like this box has 3.9. This script get hack supposed to call it. It's fine, you can call it whatever it is. So then we have sid equal, we have the sid here, it's already, where is it, this s1, and then if you look here at the end of this command, the master key is inside that id. So let's do this. Why you keep giving me that one? Then the master key equal s that one. We have the master key. Well, it closes it himself. Nice. And then we have the end of the command, it's a local, and then put in the hash. So let's do that. If I go this, I can cut a hash now. The reason why I said it, when I run this script outside the directory, he add in stuff here, and then with Jean the Ripper you try to decrypt it, and it just take long. It doesn't. So if I go now to Jean, I have the hash file, and then with list equal user share with list or queue. Now let's get let it run. And then you give it the first password is bubble. This is the first password. So bubble is the first password. You see, if you run this script outside of this, for whatever reason, he add line here, and that's when he this morning when I tried to do the room again, it just Jean take long to do it. So just in reminder about that. Now, so we can do this in Linux. So we already have the password bubble. So this part, all of it, we can do it in Linux. Now it's now things start becoming flippy. So now, in order to decrypt the DPAPI blob, we first need to decode it. So now all of this need now to do. You can run this in Linux, but we need later on this in Windows. So now we go back to our Windows machine. What was again that? So we need to be smart about it. Let's type that one so we can hackthebox.com blob czc. I was here yesterday, so you should remember it. Okay. So I said now we did that. We got that. We got the password is bubble. So we cool about it. The password, this one is ransom. Now we need to take this script, because now in order to decrypt the DPAPI blob, we first need to decode it. So let's copy it. Now where is Windows files? See, it was when we got used to Linux. Now with this Windows things, what text file we can use? Notepad. Oh, just use Notepad. What? So basically this one is looking for update where we save our updata, local group. Look, where we have the updata, so we can save the script in the same folder. Decrypt file, update is local. The folder for decrypted file, this is the update. Let's save the script here in C decrypted file. So let's save this, our friend file, save it. What's download document? Where is desktop? C decrypted file, because we have the update here. Let's call it, what we call it, decode. Let's call it decode.py. So he read up data and give us what he give us. He give us the decryption data. So we go to cd decrypt file directory. We have the decode one, so we can run Python here, decode, and let's see if he give us. He give us now the file. This one, decode data. So we have decode data here. So we cool here. So we did this step. So we have the password, we have it is bubble. We got the file data, so we have two things we already know. Now our file mimikatz. Where is mimikatz? Where I got it from? So decode folder is in it. Where is our friend mimikatz? Let's find it. I got it yesterday. Where I put it? Get German Windows. Let's see if it's, no, I don't think it's but mimikatz is not recognized. I did install it somehow. Sometimes the decrypt Chrome, decrypt wherever, DB browser SQL, DNS, no, go DNS. Oh friend, where is mimikatz? Document, I don't have anything in document. This PC, search mimikatz. I did download it yesterday. Where is it? Chrome new. What's inside the new? This is autopsy. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We can do something quickly here. I forgot to try to show you that. We can do this, our friend autopsy, because we have the files. Let me show you something. I don't know where is my let's get mimikatz. So if we don't have it, let's get it. Mimikatz. So we have that. So we're missing mimikatz. Mimikatz download. Windows 32-bit, wherever it is. Well, we are in 64. Let's see. Now things, I'm getting confused now. Another Windows firewall start complaining now. knew it. And saved by Microsoft. Keep anyway. Virus detected. Yeah, myself. It's fine. I like viruses. Oh my goodness. What is our friend firewall? Firewall. Firewall. Let's switch off this firewall nonsense. I like viruses. Michael is using setting that may. Then oh, it's off. Why is it doesn't want me to download? Virus and net protection. Manage setting. Let's close. Yes, close it. Close. Okay, now we switch everything. Let's see if we can get it again. Okay, we got it now. And then what? And then we can follow. Yeah, I said I want to show you something. So we have this, let's say a new case. Let's say Chrome 2. I did one yesterday, so that's next. Just number 2, number 3 is finished. Okay, let's go there. Now, let me open another window so we don't get confused. Command. Why it doesn't keep the size? Let's see, property. Make it 28, okay. Yeah, but I don't need it too large, so directory, where is our mimikatz friend? Mimikatz, okay, we got mimikatz. Let's put this down so we can put it up. Let's go back to our friend there. Oh, you're still playing around. We can get two questions with this one. The one related to because remember, after you decrypt, where is it? After you decrypt, you can use SQLite and then access the login data, the file that we have, and we can get the struct of the database. So you can get the URL, because URLs are not encrypted, so you can get two questions from it. That's why most people got that two questions first, because it's easy to get. Now if you follow, we got this. Now here's the trick. Now we use that's how. So password, we put our password protected, and then we have these two we have the, what they call it, the SID and the other one, I forgot what's the name of it. So if we follow this, so let's get our shell command, the second one. Hello, what's wrong with you? Okay, let's follow this. DPAPI masterkey in where we found it last time. See, in my, so it's in user. Why is not autocomplete? Oh, see, it's not it's a Windows, so we put. What's wrong with you? Oh, it doesn't like to autocomplete. Okay, let's complete from here. we did where we did the first command. No, that's Python. Decrypted file. So we have the up data. Yeah. So the up data we have local. We have micros. No, Romian. What inside? Not Google. What? No, up data. Romian. Have Microsoft. And then protect, and then we have that. So the first one is the, so we can what's the, okay, let's go on. So this is the first one. The first one is this. So we can copy this, come back here. So DPAPI masterkey. And let's go back so we don't waste time. We do things same time. So next we can add the folder that we have, desktop. Remember, we put them in C in my case because we got a decrypted file. We can add all this update here folder, and next let him do his stuff. We'll come back later on to it. So we can show how to can get two questions from this answer. Let's get the second one. So in, we know it's this one, and then we have the SID. SID is SID, it will be C, all of this. And then at the end, what we put? We put our password we found is bubbles, and then protected. What we supposed to get? It's supposed to give me a key. Why is not giving me a key? So this one need also the link. You can just home. So in theory, I need to give the full link. So the path, input mystery file needed, masterkey file. You know, yesterday how this is input. No, why his input doesn't show it? C usage desktop, C decrypt file, update room in Microsoft protect, then the SID. Then it's like he doesn't like it when you give him the whole thing. Oh, I can see the space. Home, that space here. Okay. So you need to put the full path. So the full path for it. Here's what interesting is the key. Now we got the key. So let's get our key and let's save, leave it here for now. So we have the key. That's the whole point, is getting this key. We come back now to this. What you got there? Mystery key 0, wherever. Then the master key. We come back to this now. Let's play around to to our friend. Oh, sometimes when you start recording, see guys, if I go to this one, web account, login data, you can see it already say you my secure site.tryhackme and worksite.cc. This is the two questions that we have. That's why I said these two questions are easy to get. You can, from that file, you can get, like when you go to for example here I can say select, if I'm not mistaken, from what's the name of the database for everything from login. I hope it's the same syntax of MySQL. What's wrong with you? Schema logins. Well, you can select everything from I forgot syntax. Select. It's not like MySQL. From select everything from, yeah, data table is login. Yeah, that's why I said you can get the two questions. You can see now is the mystery site. You can see Chrome is the user, and then it's supposed to be two. That's the second one. The work site TryHackMe, and then the username is Chrome, and the other one is where is the Chrome work site? What's he saying? Encryption login. Now I'm getting confused. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, part of it is this way to do it. Why is it put to be username administrator? In any case, you can see here it gives you username Chrome. The other one is username administrator for, so this was index 1, index 2. You can see, you can get them here. My secure site.tryhackme, and so this one we can get two questions for just using this one, or you can use I don't know why the second username is not, that's a site work site, and then secure site, and this, it means password is encrypted. We come back to that later on. So we have this. Okay, so where we are now, we done all this, so we can get Chromium profile, local state, that's the default, we've been on it. Cookies, file metadata. Okay, so this one we can get two questions from it. So we have the key. So let me follow that website again. Now remember, we here we got this file data .data. Now we still need to go to our friend mimikatz again to decrypt the master key. Now we need to decrypt. No, we did this. We already did this. We got the master key. So we have the master key. So master key, we got it. So we have the master key. So we did this part. Now, and then decrypt the DPAPI before blob, which is private. Now we need to get the private key. So we have the master key, and we have the data file, and then out. So let's do that in mimikatz. Where is it? This is before we jump. So this is our file. It's in the C decrypt file. So let's be sure we do it. Then if I go now to this, So what we need to DPA, DP and DPAPI blob master key. We have the master key is this one. This is a new master key. Now what we do when we have the master key, in that file we know where is it. It's in oops, what the hell I did, dash dec data, and now let's out no out, let's out it in the same place so we can use it later on. We call it aes.dec. let's see if things work. Oh, he said to me I did something wrong. Blog common DP model not found. Oh, really? What at home? Ah, blob, not a blog. What's wrong, you guys? Blob. So we have now the IS key. If we go back to her, we can see it's saved here. So we have the IS. So we have this before. No, he's not saving it. Where the hell did he save it? Directory. This is the key. So we got the key. So now we have the key. Then now what we do? What's another one? Yeah, we got the key. Now the final. They give this. Yeah, I tried this. Let me show you what. Yeah, this one, the first one I tried to do this. This guy. Decrypt Chrome password. This script didn't work for me. That's why I spent the whole morning for it. I'm not sure. Maybe I did a mistake or something. This script didn't work. So let's use the modification version of this. So let's copy this file. Hello. Why not going down? So let's copy this one, and then we need to fix this one. Is not really, there's something wrong with it. Let's open new file. Cancel. No, don't save that key. We already have it. So here the script. So you can see is opening the key that we have. So we just need to save the script in the same folder as this one. So we need to save it in desktop C decrypted file. Desktop. No. Go back. Desktop C decrypted file. So we can in the same directory. Let's call it what? Get passwords .python. So if we go here, this is our file get password.python. So if I go python get password, no, hold on a minute. This is update. Where is our update here? We have straight folder updated, so we need to remove this this one. Save it. So if we run it now, what's going on? Line 61. invalid syntax, really? If I didn't latest n, what is latest n? Connection closed, that's all. Where that file came from? This line not supposed to be here. Okay, let's save it again. Let's go back to... You see, it gives you empty. The reason why it's empty, let's make this syntax bigger. Format, font. You see at the end here when you say if URL different and username is and cipher. The reason why he's doing this because this action URL, if you look, it's not there. It's original URL. At least that's what worked for me. So if we select, we change this, we call it use the origin. So the origin URL, and then we only need the cipher because we are interested in decryption. So I don't need if username is something empty. I just interested in the cipher. So we doing original URL. So let's now, after fixing that, let's see what happened. And now you got the password or something. Guys, I will hide later on when I make this video, so sorry for hiding it. I need to submit it for TryHackMe, so we can't show you the password, so I hope you don't get upset about it. So this is the two sites, and then you have the password. So basically that is it. So you can fix this script easily. I'll put all the scripts in the comment for you to follow. So yeah, I tried to do it all of it in Linux. I couldn't. Someone said yesterday that rely completely on Unix without having switched to Windows. I will wait for his reply, for his walkthrough to see what exactly how he did it. But for me, is the need for mimikatz, it was there. And then also this one, I don't know why this, because there's a lot of internet talking about this script to get Chrome master password, and when I run this one, it just doesn't work for me. For whatever reason it is, I don't know. So this one, it does work with some modification, but it has too much steps to be done here. So yeah, so guys, if you have any question or something, please let me know. Please like and share, support the channel, and yeah, thank you very much and have a good day.